Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to fix Realme fingerprint sensor not working problem. Let's see how to solve. Open on setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, tap on developer option, scroll down, tap on quick setting developer, turn on your sensor option on your phone, press on your phone power button, tap on reset. Thanks for watching.